Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change country to Turkey in Epic Games. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up any web browser. Here I'm using Safari, and in the search box you can search for epicgames.com and you'll be appear with the homepage of Epic Game if you are already logged into the Epic Games. Now go ahead and tap on that menu bar and select account settings, and you'll be appear with like this on your screen. And when you scroll all the way down, you can see the option country or region. Simply tap on it and search for Turkey. As you can see, Turkey is visible. You can just select the Turkey and you can just tap on save changes and you are good to go. So this is how easily you can change country to Turkey in Epic Games. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.